In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change font size here in Canva. Now, once you have your text on the canvas just like this, we simply want to click onto there, and then we're going to see this toolbar up the top. Now, right here is where we can change the font size. Now, what we can do is increase font size by clicking on these little plus icons. Now, if we want to decrease it, we can do that on the left-hand side using the decrease font size icon. So if we click on there, it's going to get smaller. Now, we can also click onto the numbers and then choose one that we want. Now, by default, this goes all the way up to only 144. But if you want something bigger than that, we can simply just type in the number. So this is 144. Let's say we wanted 200. So all we have to do is click onto the numbers, then we can put 200, click enter, and now that font size is bigger, just like that. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to change the font size here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.